How to solve could not reach server in Google Play. So if you want to solve could not reach server in Google Play, then first you just need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you'll not be able to reach the server. So once you check your internet connection, now you need to open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down, and here you need to simply search for reset. Tap on network reset or reset options, which is on the first, and again tap on it, and now tap on Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and again tap on reset settings. And once you've reset, your problem might be fixed. You need to go and open up your Google Pay and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply tap and hold on to your Google Pay application, and you can go with app info. So for now, I don't have my Google Pay, so I'll just showing you the process. So once you tap and hold on to that, you will have this kind of interface under that Google Pay, and then you need to go for storage and cache of that app and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store. Under your Play Store, go for the search and search for Google Pay. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Google Pay, then you will have an interface of update. So if you have any updates, you just need to simply go for update and update your Google Pay application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. So these are the fixes on how you can solve could not reach server in Google Pay. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.